Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You've got footage ready. Start by importing and creating a matching sequence so edits behave predictably. Drag a clip to the new item icon to auto-match settings, then lay primary clips on the V1 and A1 tracks. Once done, enable Snap so clips lock together and turn on waveforms to align cuts with sound. Make sure track targeting is set for the tracks you'll edit. This prevents clips from landing on the wrong track and speeds the next steps. Now focus on connecting clips precisely. Use the Ripple Edit tool to trim an end and automatically close the gap, which preserves timeline timing. If you need a smooth cut, overlap clips by a few frames and apply cross-dissolve from effects. This creates a natural blend. Use JKL to shuttle through frames and nudge selected clips with Shift plus arrow for frame-accurate placement. Make sure you leave handles, extra frames, for transitions. Otherwise, to finish, render the timeline for real-time playback and export using a preset that matches your sequence to avoid re-encoding artifacts. Confirm audio is synced and there are no hidden gaps by zooming the timeline. Use track locks to protect finished tracks. If clips refuse to connect, check that Snap is enabled and track targeting is set to the tracks you're editing. Also disable sync lock, which can prevent ripple moves. That single check solves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.